Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Hareen Ramsiari from Kirodimal College, University of Delhi. Today we are going to discuss about a module, community characteristic, type of biodiversity, diversity indexes, abundance, species richness, vertical and horizontal stratification, part 2, from the paper Principle of Ecology. After studying this module, you shall be able to understand the meaning of biodiversity, briefly study the type of biodiversity, learn about the different type of community or ecosystem diversity, evaluate how biodiversity has evolved and the factors affecting the biodiversity. Understand the theory of biogeography and learn how to measure the biodiversity. As per CBD Conventional on Biological Diversity 1992, living organisms form all the sources show variability among themselves called as a biological diversity. The source of living organisms can be marine, terrestrial, aquatic ecosystem and the ecological complexes in which they have participated, such as diversity between species, within species and of ecosystem. The diversity not only include plant and animal and other living organism species, but also the variety of ecosystem they inhabited and their varied genes. The species richness, accounting for the total number of species in a community, is called as biodiversity. The numbers of species differ in different ecological communities and provide an active area for current research. The animal and plant life are more varied and abundant in the tropic regions than other part of the world, stated by Alfred Wallace 1878. MacArthur and Wilson 1967 suggested that islands exhibited different patterns of variations, more species in large and near continents than remote and small islands. Conservation biology involves the measurements of biodiversity as its important integral part. To detect and understand the causes of formation of large patterns in groups of species, a community-based approach is employed. In 1988, Norman Mayers, a British biologist, coined the term biodiversity hotspot. It is an irrepressible biogeographic area that is threatened with destruction and act as a significant reservoir of biodiversity. The area must be threatened to a limit of at least 30% of its original vegetation, must be lost or must be irrepressible due to the presence of high endemic species. Around the world, there are specifically 35 areas that are biologically rich and have lost nearly 70% of their original habitat. The biosphere provided life support system to all the living organisms, and the presence of ecological diversity, innumerable organisms, makes the complex life pleasant. In 1985, Walter and Rosen coined the term biodiversity as an abbreviated form of biological diversity. It took more than 4 billion years to originate life on the earth and almost 1 billion years to develop this complex and wide spectrum of life. In 1988, Wilson believed that almost 10 to 80 million of total number of species are present on earth, out of which only 1.4 billion is known to us. However, we are losing the diversity in the life forms that can result into grave consequences. The total varieties of species on earth, that is different type of plant, animals and microbes, constitute the biodiversity. The variety can be in any of the life forms, combinations and levels. The biological diversity encompasses diversity within species termed as species diversity, genetic diversity between species, and ecosystem diversity. This figure represents biodiversity of Earth. Type of biodiversity. The biological diversity is broadly characterized into three different levels: species diversity, genetic diversity, and community or ecosystem diversity. Number first, species diversity. Species are a group of similar organisms that share a common lineage, interbreed, and produce offspring and called as basic unit of classification. Species diversity is commonly used as a synonym for biodiversity. The species diversity has evolved attributing to the diversity in habitat of living organisms and defined as variety of species within a habitat. Thus, based on the number of species within an area, the diversity of that region can be measured. In a given area, the species diversity is comprised of the total number of plant and animal species in that area. Although some regions have fewer species than others, but both types of ecosystems, agriculture and natural, have the diversity among them. Moreover, agricultural ecosystem has fewer varieties in species than the undisturbed natural system such as tropical forests showing higher species richness, number of species in a given habitat. Hotspots are the areas rich in species diversity. India is among the 15 nations of the world encompassing exponentially rich in species diversity. The total number of species belonging to different taxonomic groups is measured as a global diversity. Species diversity is studied at different levels: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and omega species diversity. The number of species habitating at the same region in the measure of alpha diversity. The difference in species between patches is defined as beta diversity. The number of different species in different geographical locations is called gamma diversity. The diversity in species of biomes is measured as delta diversity. Biomes, also referred to as ecosystem, are geographically and climatically defined ecological regions. The number of species measured for the entire biosphere is called omega diversity. In a given area, the measurement of variety of taxa at the genus and family taxonomical levels is referred to as taxon or taxic diversity, that when studied at species level called as species diversity. 2. Genetic diversity. Every single organism obtains special characteristics encoded by the broad range of possible combination in the genes. Thus, every individual of plant or animal species vary from each other in their genetic makeup. Even a slight variation in the genetic makeup provides the differences within a species where each individual slightly differ from each other, representing different strains, forms, variation in single morphological characteristic, varieties, and subspecies. This diversity within the species or different species due to the different genetic makeup is called as genetic diversity. Large number of strains and varieties within a species is considered as diverse and rich in genetic organization. Chromosomal or gene mutations cause the genetic variation in single individuals of a species. These genetic variations are an important aspect and integral part of biodiversity and considered as prerequisite for adaptation and evolution. Genetic variations are studied at population level and expressed in terms of alleles. PCR, polymer chain reaction, DNA fingerprinting, alloenzyme analysis, DNA sequencing, and restriction site mapping are currently employed. Different techniques used to measure the genetic variations. Ecosystem or community diversity. On Earth, large variety of different ecosystems based on the differences in the habitat have their own complement of distinctive interlinked species. India is an outstandingly prosperous in ecosystem diversity. Distinctive natural ecosystems include aquatic ecosystem like the sea, lakes and rivers, and as well as landscape like mountains, forests, deserts, grasslands, etc. Different landforms may exist in ecosystem, each of which supports specific and different vegetation. Natural ecosystems become degraded and less productive when misused or overused. Various sub-ecosystems are constituted and separated by the boundaries of the communities that are not distinct, and thus the ecosystem diversity is difficult to measure the comparison to species and genetic diversity. Within the given ecosystem, communities are studied in various ecological niches to measure the ecosystem diversity. Each community has defined complexes which are associated with structure and composition of the biodiversity. The loss of species and genetic diversity are the ultimately causes by the loss of ecosystem diversity. The ecosystem diversity is often called as community diversity. The diversity of ecological unit or community types within the different and large ecological niches is called as community diversity. Community diversity is different from habitat variety that define the different animal species living in different habitats. The number of species does not directly affect the ecosystem process, rather significantly affect through functional differences between species. The ecosystem with various functional traits, functional diversity, provide high productivity, resistance, and resilience to invaders and are better operated. In 1998, Hooper suggested that the extent of functional differences within the species pool should be studied to better understand the functional diversity. In ecological systems, different organisms perform a range of functions summarized as functional diversity. Within the community or habitat, the species can be divided into functionally similar taxonomic entities like deposit, feeders, suspension feeders, etc., or into distinct functional type like plant growth forms, feeding guilds. These functionally similar species within the habitat can be from different taxonomic entities. Ecological or community diversity has three different labels. Number first, alpha diversity within habitat diversity. Alpha diversity is expressed in terms species richness or number of species in an ecosystem. It defines the biological diversity within an ecosystem, community, or simply in a particular habitat. The alpha diversity can be measured by counting the distinct group of organisms such as different species, genera and families, or number of taxonomic entities, number of taxa within the ecosystem. 2. Beta diversity between habitat diversity along environment gradient. Beta diversity is defined as the quantitative measurement of diversity of communities along environmental gradients. The species diversity that experience changing environment between ecosystems in compared to measure the beta diversity. It is given as the rate of change in species composition among communities or across different ecological habitat. 3. Gamma diversity. Gamma diversity is defined as the species richness or total number of species over a large region ecological units. Gamma diversity, also called as large scale landscape diversity within a region, is given by the quantitative measurement of overall diversity for different ecosystems. It is often expressed as the species richness of component communities. This figure represents three perspectives of community biodiversity. Evolution of biodiversity. Certain ecological and evolutionary process creates the biological diversity. Ecology provides explanation for the occurrence of enormous diversity in the biological system and the pattern of diversity of existing ecosystems. Ecological process interacts with the genetic diversity through speciation, microevolution, and adaptation and result into evolutionary consequences. The environment exerts continual pressure to the diversify the life through innovation, adaptation, and exploitation of new traditions. The most prominent consequences of ecological and environmental process causing species multiplication is the species diversity. The ecological factors that affects it include the environmental gradients, age of the ecosystem, architects of the habitat, isolation, species interaction, nature of physical environment, migration and dispersal, and natural d- disturbances. In 1859, Darwin projected survival of the fittest, that species compete for the survival and only the fittest species will be survive in nature. It was interpreted that under natural selection pressure, the species which are fit and can compete survives, whereas weak and less fit organism gets eliminated from the nature. In 1960, Hardin was inspired by his concept and proposed competitive exclusion principle, which is interpreted as an idea where no two species can coexist in the same habitat. The more competitive species causes the exclusion of less fit species. This is the irony of biodiversity, where we expect few species but find many in nature. Factors affecting the biodiversity. In 1994, Hudson suggested that the biological diversity varies over both small and large distances and from one region to another. There are certain factors that can be influence these variations in the biological diversity, such as environmental factors, disturbances, environment heterogeneity, etc. Number first, disturbances. The local species diversity is maintained by the small, minor disturbances. Fries and felling of the trees are the forest-associated disturbances that can be affect the successive composition of the species. In the grasslands, the increase in diversity can be offered by the grazing animal, which are considered as disturbances creating factor. These disturbances augment biodiversity as a response consequence. In 1979, Connell suggested that the forest at different succession levels represent combination of small patches and subsequent disturbances contribute to diversity and provide niches. He concluded that these disturbances initiate biodiversity. 2. Favorable environmental conditions. Under favorable environmental conditions, such as growth conditions, greater diversity is offered by the plants and animals species. But this concept is not universally accepted. In 1991, Curie studied the number of species of mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and plants, trees, in relation to environmental situation in two different countries, Canada and USA, and suggested that there is a positive correlation between species richness and solar influx and temperature. Thus, under these two favorable conditions, the biodiversity increases. However, many ecologists propose different concepts, suggesting that there is no universally accepted relationship between prevailing favorable conditions and species diversity. 3. Heterogeneity of the environment. In 2000, Newman suggested that heterogeneity of environment does not affect alpha diversity of the community, rather increase the beta diversity. Within a community, differences in exposure, soil depth, steepness, rock type, wetness, and other factors affecting soil properties and microclimate can cause mosaic of varying vegetation and scale patches within a large community. The proportion of species changes on exposure to different environmental factors as each species responds in different manner. 4. Plant species diversity may promote insect diversity. Insect diversity can be promoted by the high plant diversity. In 1993, Harbaugh explained it by the considering the primary causes of this diversity relationship as the co-evolution between insects and plants involving secondary metabolites or chemicals. Flavonoids, terpenoids, and alkaloids are the plant-produced secondary metabolites or chemicals which are poisonous to most animal species. However, some insect species are tolerant to these secondary chemicals synthesized by the plants. These resistant or tolerant insects then become specialized in consuming those plant species which produce secondary chemicals to which these insects are resistant. Thus, only one or few plant species are consumed by many insects. Herbivores are less confined to specific plant species, although many have preferences between different plant species. Thus, diversity in insect species is promoted by the diversity in plant species, not necessarily for other animals. 5. Reducing soil fertility. In 2000, Newman suggested a negative relationship indicating that soil fertility inversely affects the diversity. In the grassland, high species diversity can be achieved by reducing the soil fertility. The high productivity grasslands show less diversity due to intense competition between species for light. The species growing tall exclude to low growing species when they compete for light. Biogeographic aspects of diversity. In a given area, the study of species distribution is called as biogeography. In order to identify and observe the possible factors that can be significantly affect the species diversity, islands are the preferable choice as they are provided control area for the observations. On an island, the rate of colonization is determined by three variables which includes the number of species occupying the surrounding islands, the distance between the mainland and the islands to be studied or other islands and size of the islands. Based on these variables, ecologists propose the theory of island biogeography that predict the number of species inhabiting that island. Thus, This theory is used to give explanation for the species diversity on land like lakes, mountain tops, and forest fragments. Assuming that the extinction rate and immigration are the equivalent, this theory states that the number of species inhabiting the island is inversely proportional to the distance between mainland and given land and directly proportional to the size of the land. Measures of biodiversity. There are different ways to measure the biodiversity. Several metrics can be used to measure biodiversity, such as number of species or species richness, measurement of extent of uniform even distribution among species termed as species evenness, measurement of variation in the genetic makeup of the organism within a population or a community called as genetic diversity, can measure the organism characteristic or phenotypic differences within the community called as phenotypic variances, and measurement of the number of particular species within the genetically different populations called as population number. Species richness and evenness are two main factors accounting for measuring diversity. In the given area, the number of different species represents the species richness. Nevertheless, richness is not only a factor affecting the diversity, rather depends on evenness also. Each of the species constitutes a different population and the similarity in the size of these population is compared by the evenness. Thus, evenness measured the relative abundance of species which in turn make up the richness of the habitat. For instance, let's suppose 100 individuals of each species 1 and 2 belong to the different communities A and B as shown in the given table below. Community A and B share equal species richness as the total number of individuals are 100 in each community. However, the evenness in community B is greater than community A as the species are more uniformly distributed in community B, 50 is to 50. Thus, equal species richness but greater evenness provides more diversity in community B than community A. An increase in evenness and richness of species increases the diversity. So students, let us summarize what we learned in this module. Living organisms form all the sources show variability among themselves called as biological diversity. The sources of living organisms can be marine, terrestrial or aquatic ecosystem and the ecological complexes in which they have participated such as diversity between species within the species and of ecosystem. The species richness accounting for the total number of species in a community is called as biodiversity. The biological diversity encompasses diversity within the species termed as species diversity, genetic diversity between species, and ecosystem diversity. Biodiversity hotspot is an irrepressible biogeographic area that is threatened with destruction and act as a significant reservoir of biodiversity. The biological diversity are broadly categorized into three different levels: species diversity, genetic diversity, and community or ecosystem diversity. The species diversity has evolved, attributing the diversity in a habitat of living organisms and defined as a variety of species within a habitat. The total number of species belonging to the different taxonomic groups is measured as global diversity. The differences in species between patches is defined as beta diversity. The number of different geographical location is called gamma diversity. The diversity in species of biomass is measured as a delta diversity. Biomes, also referred to as ecosystem, are geographically and climatically defined ecological regions. The number of species measured for the entire biosphere is called omega diversity. In a given area, the measurement of variety of taxa at the genus and family taxonomical levels is referred to as taxon or taxic diversity, that when studied at species level called as specific diversity. Large number of strains and varieties within a species is considered as diverse and rich in genetic organization. The diversity within the species or different species due to the different genetic makeup is called as genetic diversity. Chromosomal or gene mutations causes the genetic variations is in single individuals of species. Each community has definite complexes which are associated with structure and composition of biodiversity. Within the given ecosystem, communities are studied in various ecological niches to measure the ecosystem diversity. The ecosystem diversity is often called as community diversity. The diversity of ecological units or community type within the different and large ecological niches is called as community diversity. The ecosystem with various functional traits, functional diversity, provided the high productivity, resistance, and resilience to invaders and are better operated. In ecological systems, different organisms perform a range of functions summarized as functional diversity. Ecological or community diversity has three different levels: alpha diversity within habitat diversity, beta diversity within habitat diversity along environmental gradient, and gamma diversity combined alpha and beta diversity. The environment exerts continual pressure to diversify the life through the innovation, adaptations, and exploitation of new uh, traditions. The most prominent consequences of ecological environmental process causing species multiplication in the species diversity. Certain ecological and evolutionary process creates the biological diversity. There are certain factors that can be influence these variations in the biological diversity, such as environmental factors, disturbances, environmental uh, heterogeneity, etc. Fires and felling of the tree are the forest association disturbances that can be affect the successive composition of the species. Under the favorable environmental conditions such as growth conditions, greater diversity is offered by the plants and animal species. Insect diversity can be prominent by the high plant diversity and primarily causes the diversity relationship as the co-evolution between insects, plants involving the secondary metabolites or chemicals. The high productive grassland show less diversity due to intense competition between species for the light, and there is negative relationship indicating the soil fertility irreversibly affect the diversity. The theory of island biogeography gives the explanation for the species diversity on land and state the number of species inhabiting the island is irreversibly proportional to the distance between mainland and given island and directly proportional to the size of island. Several metrics can be used to measure diversity such as number of species or species richness, species evenness, genetic diversity, phenotypic variance, and population number. Species richness and evenness are two main factors accounting for the measuring diversity. and increase in evenness and richness of species increases the diversity. Thank you.